Welcome to your final coding exercise. Your goal: create a rabbit colony simulator. You are going to create an array list of rabbits, so you must also create the rabbit class. All rabbits will be visually represented on a map. Use X's to represent males and O's to represent females. Make your 2D array 15 by 15. I recommend creating a map class to represent the array and handle all affairs with this array. The simulator will work in rounds. Every time the user hits the enter key, another round will occur. Every round, the actions with the rabbits will occur. So every time there is a female greater than or equal to 2, she shall give birth to one new rabbit every round, every single round. New rabbits should be randomly placed into any open space on the map. Rabbits should have a unique first name and last name, unique coordinates for their place on the array. I recommend creating a point class, and also a unique age. Their age should be incremented by 1 every round. Continued. Rabbits should have the same percentage to die every round that is equal to their age. So for example, a rabbit that is 1 year old should have a 1% chance of dying in that particular round, while a rabbit 75 years old has a 75% chance of dying in that particular round. Oh no. Oh no. No, some rabbits are being born mutant. There's a 2% chance of a mutant rabbit being born from any female. Every round, the mutant rabbit kills one innocent rabbit. Represent mutants with M's on the map, and you can name them something creative and evil. Mutant rabbits will be a subclass of rabbit. Also create a log for all actions that occur, so births, deaths, and also every time a rabbit ages, so every rabbit will age every round. And you will print out this log with the map every round. Note, start with 1 male and 1 female every time for the simulator. You can place them at the first 2 slots on the map, so 0, 0, and 1, 0. If the map becomes full, the simulator ends. One last tip. Use this instance of keyword. This tests to see if an object is of a certain class. So for example, you can use if myString instance of string. So first you type if, and then inside the if statement parentheses, you type the object or the instance of the object that you want to test. Then you type the instance of keyword, and then after instance of, you type the class to see if you to test to see if it's an instance of that class. So myString would come out to be true because myString is probably an instance of the string class. However, if I had if my rabbit instance of string, that would come out to be false. So you want to use this to test, to differentiate between rabbits and mutant rabbits. That is how I utilize this, and I hope you utilize it in the same way. Use your power wisely. Concepts required for this exercise. This is a long and complex exercise. You need to be extremely familiar with input and output, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, arrays, 2D arrays, and array lists. Emphasis on 2D array and array lists. You need to know all loops, while loops, for loops, enhanced for loops, do while loops, if statements, switch statements, variables, accessors are very important, public, private, and protected. You need to know the difference, and advanced string concepts. Wow, that's a lot. Can you handle your final challenge?